Google Pixel 5 users report system volume issue, makes notification tones too loud. Google Pixel 5 users aren't able to resolve the problem even after factory resetting the phone. Google Pixel 5 is getting a system volume issue in which notification tones are becoming uncomfortably loud, according to some users. The issue is also impacting the volume levels when playing videos on the Pixel 5. Google hasn't yet acknowledged the problem officially. Thus, it is unclear whether it could be fixed through a software update or if the issue is stemming from a hardware constraint. Several Pixel 5 users have complained about the volume issue on the web. As per the user reports on Google's Pixel phone community forums, the system volume issue is affecting users in two distinct ways. Firstly, it is dropping the volume levels randomly when playing videos on the Google Pixel 5. Secondly, it is increasing system sounds such as dial tones and screenshot alerts, among others. The issue was initially reported by some Google Pixel 5 users in late October. However, some users also complained about the same problem on Reddit earlier this month. Unaffected user pointed out that even factory resetting the phone doesn't resolve the problem. The abnormal audio levels also stay in place after adjusting them using the volume slider. Nevertheless, some users have mentioned that the volume of system sounds becomes normal after enabling vibrate or silent mode. A Google representative attempted to address user concerns on its Pixel phone community forums, but with a vague statement, as reported by Android Central. With each new Pixel phone we work to improve volumes to make sure customers don't miss important phone calls and notifications. On Pixel the settings for ringtones and notifications are tied together so these volume changes affect both of these settings. Thank you for your feedback about these settings and we will work to make improvements in future updates on Pixel 5, the representative wrote. Google has, however, not yet provided any clarity on whether a software fix could be provided to resolve the problem. The system volume issue isn't the only problem on the Pixel 5 that debuted early last month as the new flagship phone by Google. Shortly after its launch, the phone was found to have a gap between its display and frame by some users. Google acknowledged that issue and called it a normal part of design that would not affect the water and dust resistance of the phone. Some users also reported issues when placing the Pixel 5 on the Pixel stand. Google has not yet commented on those issues.